Hi, my name is Marco Zzone, owner and operator of Zzone Homes. I've been doing custom home renovations for over 20 years now. I don't know what else to say. Hold on, I need a hand here.
I'm a
guys.
loser. Hi, I'm Gilmour. I'm an interior designer. I love bringing beauty to projects, making every space beautiful, no matter how big or small, and seeing the love in my clients' eyes when the whole vision's brought to life.
Good morning.
Morning.
We're here to finish off the bathroom.
It's about time. Doug needs his throne.
Yeah.
Come on in. So, since you guys have been here, floor is installed.
Okay.
I would love to have this done. We'll see how far we get. I know obviously putting in the vanity and toilet's gonna take a little bit, and the baseboards and all of that stuff. And I'll be happy to get rid of that later.
The chandelier. Perfect. We'll get it changed in. We've got our crew guys here. Everything's on site.
Everything's on site.
Perfect. We will get to work. And,
The only thing missing is Marco. Shocker.
He should be here shortly. Fingers crossed.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I'll show you the vanity. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous,
It
eh?
is really nice.
I know.
Perfect. There we go.
I don't like it. Can we take it out?
Yeah.
It's too big.
I know how to measure.
Do you need power for the toilet?
No.
Oh, you
We
think
didn't-
it's a fun toilet?
He would never leave this bathroom. Then he's gonna miss out man cave time. Like I need to. No. Do you know how many times he's been like, we should build a little outhouse in the backyard? I'm like, I would never see you again. All right, boys, good job. Calvin, you might want to get out of the nook, right?
Yeah.
Before you get trapped. As much as I like you, I'm not willing to take in any more children. Thanks.
Hey,
You have a watch on.
I do, but this
Is the battery
one's
working?
kinetic and it's just not working right.
Then don't wear it. So the boys unload 2 trucks full, and this is what you show up with?
Absolutely.
Look who showed up.
Mitchie, what's going on? Hey, I got the wax rings. Perfect. Looks like the wallpaper was done really nice.
Oh boy.
How's it going? Nice to see you.
The guy who's really going to do all the work.
Let's get more people in here.
Have you seen so many men in this bathroom?
Hey, I got your wax ring so you can use the toilet today.
Okay, thank you.
That's all you need. I can leave now, right? So it's looking good. Do you need any help from me? All joking aside?
Say yes, Mitch. Just say yes.
Say yes, Mitch? No problem. I'll give you a hand before we got to go to the next job.
Perfect.
All right, I'll grab my non-tool belt.
Yeah.
Good job, Mitch. If he doesn't tell you, I'll tell you all the time. You're better than him. They should play my song while they're doing work.
Your song? So this is the song. This is definitely going to make this go faster. Come on, this is the stuff, right? Mitch, we got to listen to this on every job. This is a Sonia Gilmour mix, circa 1990.
I don't even remember.
I wake up, I see it. Those gorgeous eyes and your long brown hair. I cherish your love.
It's actually a good song.
Thanks. Sconces.
Sconces.
These are pretty simple. Chandeliers a little bit more complicated.
These come with the white gloves too.
See,
They're
these
broken.
are simple. Shut your face.
Just saying, could have been.
Look, white glove service.
Nice. Look, those gloves don't fit me. Remember at Urban Barn?
They're cloth. Okay, let's try.
It just doesn't fit.
Put it. You're such a liar.
Those are really nice, Sonia. Easy to install. Nice LED.
But of course,
Oh my God, what is this?
it's a chandelier.
A chandelier for your powder room. Doug, did you pick this chandelier? I thought we were friends.
Marco says these don't fit him. Like, no wonder they rip. Look how rough the two of you are with these delicate things. Like, look at it.
I told you.
These are disastrous.
I told you.
Disastrous.
I don't know what child is doing electrical. Yeah, we don't need this. All right, so we have 1 crystal. There's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of these.
You will need 4 candelabra base bulbs, 40 watts. Huh.
See how she talks to me?
Huh.
It's not good. Oh, maybe these are just for decoration.
Yeah, those are.
Oh. Sonia, what is going on here? There is another 14 of these. Come on. You're
See
like,
the picture on the box? Look how pretty that is.
it's ridiculous.
What'd you say?
It's beautiful.
Yeah. box.
Brought to you by the makers of Lego.
There was another box with more crystals.
Oh my God.
No, I'm kidding.
There's more. Sonia, how big is this chandelier? Did you measure this?
Yeah.
I don't think you did.
Shut your
I
face.
can tell by the look on your face that you're like,
Sure.
you're confidently holding on to that it's gonna work, but you're slightly doubting yourself. But then if she's wrong, she'll be like, oh, they gave us the wrong one.
Oh my God, you're.
That wasn't my fault. That wasn't my fault. And she'll be texting Isla.
Those are getting a little too close to the edge there.
I'm
sir.
sorry, your 7-foot table doesn't fit your powder room chandelier.
Are you going to need more time after today? Maybe we'll reschedule tomorrow's appointment just so you can heal emotionally.
I'm so confident that this is the right size that we're not even gonna measure.
You actually look like you know what you're doing.
I've installed about 300 of these in my life.
So
So
when did you become lazy?
when I met you. Look at that.
Oh wow, it's too big. It hangs too
Oh, we're not talking about the cut anymore, are we? Oh, you cut it too short.
You should have seen how aggressive he was with cutting that wire.
I
Mitch.
get stuff done.
Yes, please. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Mitch.
Anybody have a blood pressure machine?
No measuring tape. Just perfection. They're all equally stupid.
Leave my birds alone. Birdies!
Oh my God, with these birds.
I love my birds. The toilet's not installed yet.
No, we're working on it. They're gonna get it done.
Okay,
in a
well
minute.
these can't go up till the toilet's there. We should pretend to film every project. That way you guys move this much quicker.
I know. It's actually really true.
Are you ready for the unveiling, Doug?
Yeah.
What do you think?
No, it's beautiful.
All done. It's a wrap.